So these are all our components for our SaniServ machine 108 frozen beverage machine. This is usually done after the next morning when you start a shift. Of course, the night before you want to clean and remove all the components, all hand washed only, no dishwasher. And then the next day we of course get ready to assemble, and then we will sanitize after that. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to install our gasket back onto our rear seal. And it should just lift up and go inside that groove and just work it around, just like that. At that point, we will take our lubrication and we will apply 3 pencil eraser sized globs on the rear shaft of the dasher, just like that. Your O-ring rear seal should just slide on like that. One of the nice things about these, we talk about SaniServ, is ease of operation, ease of cleaning. So these rear seals cannot be assembled backwards, and they will not go inside the unit. This orifice here is designed to go through your drive, so it cannot be assembled backwards. At that point, we will take the blades and we'll apply them to the dasher. The blades can go on either way. They go on like this or this, either side. There's no designated side or way to put them on. You just take them, make sure they are up, take them and apply them like that. All of our units are designed to have it where the blades will not come off when the unit's in operation, so you cannot put them on like that. Straight up and just press. They should just snap right on, just like that. Okay. At that point, the dasher is ready to install into the machine. So we will take this, and again, you just want to make sure your blades are down. It should come in there, and then engage the rear, just like that. Okay. At that point, we are now ready to assemble our faceplate. So we will start with our O-rings. We're just going to slide that on just like that. It should go on really easily. And then again, the first groove is slightly deeper than the second groove to allow that O-ring to slide over it. At that point, you just want 1 pencil eraser sized glob, and we will go around just like that. Okay. Then we need to install our spring, like so. When you do that, you're going to take this and you're just going to slide it through that hole just like that. And you are going to have to engage the spring till you get it like that. And then we could take our knob. You can see the difference between our faceplate knob and our spigot plunger knob. And we're just going to screw it on. Just like that. Should be flat with the back or even in a little bit. Either is fine. At that point, we are ready to assemble our plunger housing to our faceplate. One thing to note is we do not want to lubricate this rear seal right here. That will cause it to leak. So assembling this is really easy. You're just going to take it right here and you're going to turn it. Just be careful. Make sure you engage the threads properly. And then we're just going to kind of rotate our faceplate like that until you should see the O-ring press against the faceplate. Then we know we have a great seal. Of course, we want the spout to be facing down, so in operation, the mix comes out the bottom. At that point, we are ready to apply our large faceplate O-ring. Sometimes these do come out easily. You can, if you would like, apply just a light coating of gel on the inside and kind of brush it around. It can help that stick, and that is okay in that case. After you get your O-ring on, you do want to install your stator bushing to the front like that. When you're placing your faceplate onto the machine, you want your blade or dasher up and down like that. That'll help you a lot. Vertical. So, and then once you do that, that'll help line up where we can easily, and do have your knobs ready, easily install this. You may have to just kind of move it a little bit, and that's common. like that. Once you get it on, we will start installing the knobs. You want to do them simultaneously. Get all your knobs just started. And then we will tighten it in a crisscross pattern. And just get them hand tight. And that should create, and we will start to see where the O-ring on the faceplate begins to press against the faceplate. We know a good seal there. And that's it.